The greenhouse club is purchasing seed for the lawn in the school courtyard. The club needs to determine how much to buy. Unfortunately, the club meets after school, and students are unable to find a custodian to unlock the door. Anthony suggests they just use his school map to calculate the area that will need to be covered in seed. He measures the rectangular area on the map and finds the length to be 10 inches and the width to be 6 inches. The map notes the scale is 1 inch to 7 feet in the actual courtyard. What is the actual area in square feet? So first, his picture is a 10 by 6. So the area of that picture would be those two numbers multiplied together, since it's a rectangular courtyard. And 6 times 10 is 60. The scale factor is going to be 7. So we're going to find the area of the actual by taking that 60 from our scale drawing and multiplying by 7 twice. Once for scaling up the length and once for scaling up the width. This is the same as taking 60 and multiplying by 49. I'm running out of room, so I'm going to sketch that part down here. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 6 is 54. Use a place value spacer. 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 6 is 24. Adding those together, you get 2,940. And that is measured in feet squared, or square feet.